Hello everyone, this is your weather with Adrian Howard, and what you're looking at right now in front of you is a map from the National Weather Service showing the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow on Tuesday. Now, that is going to be a potential as a big storm system moves out into the region. Now, as you can see here, areas from Texas all the way into Oklahoma, all the way into areas of Kansas, and all the way even into areas of Missouri and southern Iowa could see that potential for some strong to severe storms. But the greatest potential here will be in Oklahoma and also Texas for the potential for seeing some big supercell storms producing large damaging hail. Also could be producing large destructive hail up to baseball size, and also winds as high as 80 miles per hour, destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. So that is going to be a potential as this large-scale storm system moves into the area, and also a cold front and also a dry line begins to move into the region. Now, I kind of want to demonstrate what I'm talking about here so that you'll kind of know what I'm kind of saying. As you can see here with this here, as I draw a L, that is representing a big low pressure or storm system, and that big storm system will be located in southern Utah, expected to be located in southern Utah, moving and will be moving into the southern plain states. Actually, it's located in Utah today, but it's going to be moving with a cold front, which is going to be pushing off to the east, and a cold front will be coming out of the north as well, from the northwest, and with its associated low pressure system, and also a dry line situated in the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma will be in this region as well. So all these features are expected to combine, and when they combine, there will be convergence, and also the return flow of Gulf moisture has entered into the area, so that will give thunderstorms potential to become severe. And as shear moves over the region, deep layer shear, that will give thunderstorms the potential to become severe as instability increases. Now, what I have seen in this location, which is probably going to be evident on tomorrow, is the fact that the further south you go, it looks like the further south you go into areas of southern Oklahoma down into Texas, looks like those areas could have a capping, kind of like a capping off of the atmosphere, where a warm layer of the atmosphere stays over the region, and that could prevent thunderstorms from developing earlier in the day. But that cap is most likely going to be lifted. It's not going to be much of a strong cap in place, but that cap could stop thunderstorms from developing until the afternoon hours, until daytime heating begins to warm the atmosphere. But once that happens, we're going to see an explosion of thunderstorms, maybe not a real big severe weather outbreak, but enough to cause some concerns, and the potential for some tornadic supercells as well. Now, we could be seeing that, and as well as a squall line, which should be moving through Oklahoma that Tuesday night on into Wednesday morning. Now, on the flip side of this storm system, there is going to be the potential for snow. As you can see, winter storm warnings here in areas of southern South Dakota, actually in areas of South Dakota, also northern Nebraska, and also areas of Colorado, which have some blizzard warnings around the Denver area. Could be seeing some snow on the backside of the storm system. So a very dynamic storm system for April. Gary Bastardi, our forecaster, First Hand Weather, he has been updating you on the storm system. Please get the latest information on his post as well. He has been giving some information about the storm system, but it doesn't hurt to hear about the storm system again. Now, as you can see here from Futurecast radar, I want to show you this radar imagery loop as it continues here, and notice how from the time from tomorrow, actually from later on today on into tomorrow, thunderstorms don't just start to develop until about later in the day. As you can see, they're kind of spotty in nature, but again, like I said, the capping environment over the atmosphere could stop storms from developing until the afternoon. And watch when we get to about 4 p.m. As you can see here, individual supercell, possibly supercell thunderstorms developing right here in western Oklahoma. That could be the start of it, and this could push off until Oklahoma become a damaging squall line. And I'm going to give you another perspective on this. As you can see, as the storm system moves a little bit closer. Now, this is the simulated radar reflectivity map, 1 kilometer map. As you can see here, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. It's right there. As you can see here, right when the storm system approaches Oklahoma with the cold front, a squall line. Now, that could be a damaging squall line, could have up to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So just wanted to kind of keep you updated on that. That squall line could have golf ball size hail as well. but the supercells ahead of that storm system, which could be possible, could be producing hail up to the size of baseballs and a few tornadoes. So keep a NOAA weather radio handy and stay updated as we give you the latest information at First Hand Weather. This is your weather with Adrian Howard. We'll give you further updates as they come.